Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you a better gallery app for the Coolpad legacy, so stay tuned. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, first of all, thank you for watching. Second of all, if the video is helpful, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Let's go ahead and jump in. So, many people have asked, where is the gallery app on the Coolpad legacy? In short, the gallery app is Photos, Google Photos, and it's an okay app, but a lot of people would prefer a standard gallery app, not this one, because this one can be a little clunky and it's not always that user friendly. So I'm going to show you a free gallery app that I encourage you to download that works just as good as any other gallery app. So what you're going to do, sorry, just clean up our screen here. Click on Play Store. And we're going to do a quick search. You're just going to type in gallery, no ads, because there are a lot of apps that are galleries, but they have a lot of ads and it's frustrating. So this is my favorite here, gallery, no ads, little blue background with yellow flower. Tap on that, install. I've used this on a few phones and been very happy with it, and I think you're going to like it as well. And all done. Click on the open button, hit allow, and we have no media files. That's funny because we haven't taken any pictures. So I'm going to just take a quick picture, smile, wall, and now so this is the icon that's going to actually show up on your home screen, and we'll just tap on there. It'll automatically create a folder for your camera. When you download photos, it'll create a folder for downloads, screenshots. If we do a screenshot right now, hold down that power button, hit screenshot. You'll see it create a folder for screenshots as well. It's a very clean, very simple look, and I love it. That's it. Really easy. So that's how you search it, that's how you download it, and I think you'll have a little bit of a better experience using that over Google Photos. But one disclaimer, I do want you to do this. I want you to go into Google Photos and just turn on your auto backup, because you may not want to use this app for your gallery, but you do want to use it for the backup capability. So menu, and so actually we already did the step, so it's going to be hard to show you, but basically the first time you open Google Photos, there's a pop-up at the bottom of the screen that will say, do you want to turn on auto backup? You definitely want to hit yes, and what that's going to do is every time you take a picture, it's going to back it up to your Google account or your Gmail. So if you ever lose the phone, your photos will always be backed up to your cloud, and then when you get a new phone, all you do is sign into that same Gmail and you'll have access to all those old photos through Google's cloud. So I definitely encourage you to turn that on, and obviously use the gallery app just for basic picture needs. I think it's kind of better for that. So that's just our 2 cents on that. Hope you did find this helpful. Hit the like button, favorite, and share. Make sure you subscribe as well, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.